a horrible setup. Hi. Anyways, what's poppin', my dudes? It's me, Haley, here, back with another video, surprisingly. But, so I'm just gonna like say it, I had like this cool idea, but now when I'm like looking at the camera, it's like, this is dumb, stop it. But anyways, my old computer was trash, like absolutely trash. If this gets like 10 likes, 10 likes, if this gets 10 likes, I'll do like a story on it because there's some stories that are... Oh, let's get on with this, pretend you don't see that mess, but I got a new computer! What? So basically, like I was saying, my old computer is bad, trash, it's game over for that computer. And well, yeah, we were talking about getting me a new computer for like a long time, and yeah, here it is, guys. It's a MacBook Air, and yeah, I'm really excited and happy, and yeah. So if you want to like watch, you know, me like unboxing it, just here we go. So yeah. So yeah, that kind of wraps this video up. I know it's nothing special, and that was pretty bad. So if you want to hear like a story time, you know, 10 likes, and it's not gonna be like a normal like story time, you know, like story time, you just tell, you know, I'm gonna kind of like interact with it so it's not so boring, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, maybe leave a like, you know, or maybe a little comment, and please help me. Thank you. Have a good day.